One of the things I love most about minimalism is it's challenging. For example, here's the space that I have to work with my refrigerator. It's taken me a long time to create a kitchen that has the basics of everything that I need to make multiple types of meals. Like I like sushi, I like Mexican food, I like some Italian dishes, I like some Thai food, like all these different things, right? And there are typically basic ingredients to all of these. So because I'm the organizer that I am and I love organizing, it's like mental stimulation for my intelligence and my mind. The ability to know what your foundational like ingredients are is super beneficial for maximizing the space that you have to work with. And one of my purposes here also is to be able to make the most out of my money when I'm purchasing my food, to be able to reduce the amount of waste and to be able to preserve like herbs and stuff and things that would normally go bad very quickly. And so here's what I have so far. All right, let's start with the freezer. All right, so sometimes I try things out and these are really good. These are Blints and they're vegan. All right, there's my molds for my ice cubes and a lot of like little snacks and treats that I make. Here I have some frozen bananas. I haven't tried making my own ice cream yet with bananas, but that's what those are there for. I've got my chia seeds that are frozen. I have my flax seed. I've got my hemp seed. Really good for smoothie making. I've got my frozen blueberries, my frozen strawberries. And then in the back, I have cashews, almonds. I love making Vietnamese salad rolls. So these are shrimp. I went ahead and prepped all my garlic cloves. Oh my gosh, it is like so awesome to literally open this up, and I have a garlic, what do you call those, masher? Like you squeeze your hands together and you mash the garlic grater. And then I have some pre-prepped cilantro, EVO, and mint, even basil, I think, in there. So I can throw those in some spiralized zucchini and make some yummy pasta. And then I started putting my herbs in the freezer here to make them last longer. Fresh herbs from the farmer's market. There's some rosemary. I'm reusing some of these spice jars. And then this is ginger, cubes of ginger, and then aquafaba. About 2.5 of these cubes make 1 egg substitute. I've got some lemon zest and I have some mint. So those are my base herbs right now. In here I have I'm always trying out cheeses because I love cheese and it's hard to replace the real thing. But when you make like quesadillas or nachos or you put the cheese in something, then it doesn't have to be perfect, so to speak. But taste and consistency and visuals are a big deal for me. So I'm trying out some Follow Your Heart pepper jack cheese, and then here's some cheddar cheese, which actually really made for a good quesadilla. I'm pretty pleased. I've got some cocoa butter out in the back there, and I have some, this is where my baking soda is. So I have this here, cocoa powder. I'll be making body scrubs and just like beauty products and stuff from that, but all natural. Here I have some serrano peppers. This week I'm eating a lot more. I went to my Goddess Sisters event, or we all did a event, and my Goddess sister hosted at her home, and she served us pico de gallo and some chips, and now I've been craving them ever since. So I can make tons of stuff with just the base of what I have. I can make salads. I can make a Greek salad, a regular salad. I could make some pico de gallo. I can make some quinoa. So that's kind of this week. So I've prepped cucumber, and then I've prepped, there's tomato, white onion, red and green bell pepper, and those are the base, and they make an amazing salsa. And I've got my avocado in here because it's really ripe and I don't want it to ripen anymore. And then some of my sauces. I love spicy sometimes, so Frank's hot sauce is a yummy one. I've got some soy sauce when I make my sushi, maple syrup, and then I have dressing, my goddess dressing. I've got some Thousand Island, and then I have some peanut sauce there. So, and then down below, I also can prep more food in my jars and put them down here. But right now, I'm going to be making a face glow, kind of do it yourself. And I'm going to make it out of cucumber and some aloe vera. So it's going to be like a night cream, so to speak. I have an orange bell pepper to prep, cut up and prep, and then I have some fresh cilantro. Even though I have some frozen, I also like to keep it fresh. I watched a lot of experts and a lot of people talk about how to preserve fruits and vegetables, which is where I got all this knowledge from. And so one of the things that I learned is that if you wet a paper towel and you wrap it around, you could do this around, like I did the bell pepper, cucumber, cilantro, and it gets it to stay much longer. And I have definitely found that to be true. And then I have some goat cheese and some more salad, a little to-go salad dressing. Over here, I have my spinach, and I usually have, what I don't have right now because I need to go to the grocery store, is juice. So I usually have like a juice either here or I have some prep juice for like 3 days, usually like an immunity juice. And now I'm playing around. I'm going to do a strawberry juice this time. And then this is some milk, almond milk. And then up here, I love this idea. I just literally came up with it. These little things, I put lemon juice. So when I prep my food, lemon and lime. And that way for the next like 3 days or so, 4 days, I can put it in my water. I can put it in my salads. I can put it in my pico de gallo. And then I have some aloe vera gel. And that's my refrigerator right now. So, and my freezer. So I just want to show you, may it inspire you to organize your fridge and freezer too.